So finally, it's my turn to unbox the camera and the accessories inside this. So let me show you. Hey guys, Julie here. Welcome back to the channel. For today's first ever episode, I am going to unbox the camera that I've always wanted for like a year now. And I think I have watched already all the reviews about this camera and the unboxing vlogs as well. Finally, I got to experience the unboxing of Sony ZV-E10. I think this is a well-deserved gift for myself. Here it is. This is the box. Then I got also the grip. I got this too for a price of the camera. It's called FNAC bundle. And I also got here the memory card. It is the SBXC 128GB and my memory card reader. But before I'm going to unbox everything, I just want to share to you guys the backstory of how I finally got the camera. Last December, I was really looking for a vlogging camera, and I think there are 3 options at that time for Sony. After comparing this camera to the other 2, well, I finally chose this one obviously because it has an interchangeable lens. By December, there was no available item, and finally on January 2023, look at this guys, see? Yes, so here now, look at the price. Shocked. I have a promotion. Okay, wait. Yep, so January 3, 2023 this year, I messaged the shop if the camera is still available. The store is like 10 steps away from my office, so I didn't wait for the reply. I just went up to the shop, and then I got frustrated after because they told me that the camera, the promotion is only online. The SA told me purchase it online. So I went back to my office and then I couldn't find it anymore. Yes, there was a problem with their marketing. So when I found out that it is on promotion, I went back to the store and then buy the camera, though it doesn't have the same price from the previous one, but I'm happy that, you know, I got this. And the special thing also happened there is that when I went to the cashier to pay, I got a cashback. So guys, I think I've done enough talking. Let's open it. This is the windshield. And finally, guys, look at this. Listen to this. sure with the sequence and how you're going to set up the camera, but this is the last part for me. So guys, it is set up and now I'm going to charge it. So I hope you still be here, right? Be right back.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, good morning. I just took a quick shower for today's episode. My pimple is saying hi. I'm gonna do a real quick skincare. I think I'm almost ready. I'm going to wear my samba. So guys, unfortunately they don't have coffee. They don't have food, but I'm hungry and I want to eat. So probably I will just back or find another restaurant for me to feed myself. just got back from outside. I went to one of my favorite places here in Qatar, and I really enjoyed my day filming outside. The weather is very nice as well. It's getting better, so I didn't notice the time. Seriously, if you got this far, you are all the best. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.